Yo guys, welcome back to another video, and today's video we'll be talking about an invest. I don't know what invest is. I think it's invest 96E or 97E. I don't know. I think it's one of those two. This is I think this is 96 or 7E. I think this is 97E right now. It's got a 70% chance of formation in the next 5 days and a 40% chance of formation in the next 2 days. So if this does become our next named storm, this will become Felicia and followed by Guillermo. I'll read you the thingy. A broad area of low pressure located 700 miles south of Manzanillo, Mexico, continues to produce disorganized showers and thunderstorm activity. Environmental conditions are expected to remain conducive for gradual development, and a tropical depression is likely to form in 2 to 3 days, while offshore the southern coast of Mexico, while the disturbance moves westward to west-northwestward at 10 to 15 miles an hour, which is obviously you can see formation potential in the next 48 hours is 40, and formation during the next 5 days is high, which is 70% right now. Obviously, it looks pretty good, I'm not gonna lie. It looks pretty good. Yeah, I think it's just disorganized though. But if you go for the next 5 days, as you can see, you've got 2 systems, but they haven't marked the other 70% chance one yet. As you can see, there's nothing out in the Atlantic anymore. I don't know why it just cut off from me. I'm showing you the invest, but it just cut straight off from me. You see, this is the invest. An area of low pressure is forecast to develop south of the Gulf of Tibet later this week and move westward or west-northwestward at 10 to 15 miles an hour, well offshore of the southern coast of Mexico. Environmental conditions are expected to be favourable for development of this system, and the tropical depression is likely to form by this weekend. 0% chance in the next 48 hours, and formation chance is high, 70% chance in the next 5 days. So that's how to invest. I'll show you I think the satellite imagery. I think it is some satellite imagery of this invest. I don't know what invest it is, but I need to check, see what invest it is. Satellite imagery. It's invest 96E right now. Invest 96E. Not look good, to be honest. I think 97E will look better than this storm, to be honest. Well, to be honest, you can't really see 97E yet. I'll click on it and see if it brings us up to some satellite imagery. Right. I'll put the high res one afterwards. Sorry for keeping you guys waiting. I will pause it until it loads. Oh wait, it's loaded. It hasn't. That's what it looks like on the high res. It does not look good. You can't really see. I don't think there's a circulation right now, but if there is, I think the circulation will be somewhere here. The NHC is marked the center circulation here, towards the bottom. So it is an open circle. I think it's like being sheared from the south, because it's away from the center. As you can see these clouds where my mouse is. You see how they split off? I think that's some shear, I don't know. In Pacific. And the wind shear for the East Pac. I don't. It looks okay. I guess. Basin. East Pac. Wind shear. Yeah, the whole of the wind shear. All of the Eastern Pacific has apparently got low wind shear. But I don't believe that. Where that system is right now, it's got low wind shear. Where that system is right now, it's got low wind shear. As you can see some unfavourable spots towards the south. As you can see, these unfavourable spots here means that we're dipping to a La Nina. These unfavourable spots are here. Just high wind shear. Off the Beijing Californian coast, it's 20 to 25 knots. So that will do a toll on the storm, but not a tick. And I don't think it. Yeah, the wind shear in the Atlantic does not look good. Just saying. That's all we got time for today, guys. Yeah, so it was a quick update, by the way. Stuff. I'm gonna go to bed tonight. 25 minutes. So gotta get ready for bed and all that, guys. Yes. So anyway, I hope I'll see you guys tomorrow, which I will do.